All right. What's up, guys? Hope you had a good day of trading. I had a good day of trading, but wait. Before I get into my day of trading, I just want to, ask you guys, forgive me for taking so long to post another video. I've been out for about maybe a week and a half, 2 weeks maybe. Reason being, my wife had a baby. Right. And so we were excited. I was just trying to, get prepared for her. We had a little girl, and we've just been last week just trying to get into some sort of routine. And we still haven't gotten into the routine yet, but we're getting there. We're slowly getting there. But anyway, so my day of trading was pretty good. Last time, I think the video I did last, I was talking about I had like 350K accounts coming my way because all of the accounts that I have blown and have to continue pushing forward. I had three more coming. Ended up losing those three. I don't know if I said that on the last video or not. But anyway, I said, you know what? I'm going to go for a 300K account. And so I went for a 300K account. I am currently still trying to get the 300K account. The profit goal that you have to meet is $20,000, guys. So that's very, very hard to some. I find it to be a little bit challenging. With the 50K account, the profit goal is 3,000. So that was way easier to me now looking back. But so I think I have about almost 14,000 in profit right now on this account. So I got about 6,000 more to go before I reach the goal, and then I can get that paid account for a 300K account. So anyway, that's where I'm at. Also, I got another 300K account just to see if I can pass it. Right now, Apex has 80% off sale going on right now, so I wanted to try to get that while the sale is going on. So anyway, link in bio if y'all want to go and check that out. Get signed up and all that. All right. Anyway, let's get into this analysis on Tesla. All right. So I actually am on the 3 hour time frame, right? Normally I'm on the 1 hour, but today I just found the 1 hour was a little bit hard for me to kind of see what was happening. And so I felt like, let me zoom out even more to get a better picture of what I think is happening at this point. So, and let's get into it. So, get a tool going. All right. So, March 13th. March 13th, we found a low. Y'all can just see me drawing right there. That was our low. Currently that that's our lowest point in the past, however long. All right. So then we made high, and we made a lower low. We made a higher high. We made a lower low. Then we haven't quite made a higher high yet. And so with that being said, guys, I do think that we are going to see some more upside in Tesla. Also, if you see this yellow squiggly line, that's you guys know that's my 8 EMA. And the blue one, is my 45 EMA. So it looks like we are on our way to get this cross here, which is a great sign. We are above this 200 SMA, which is this red line. So we are holding above that, which is a good sign. We tried to today, we actually tried to go below it. And as you can see, let me zoom in because this is kind of important. Let's zoom in a little bit more. Okay, so you can see this candle here. See that candle right there? We tried to break below this 200 SMA, right? And you see what happened. We pushed right back up right above it. And then from there, we pushed up from there. Got rejected in this 186, 187-ish area. And we came back down to our 8 EMA. We are above the 8 EMA currently, which is a great sign. And so I think all signs are kind of leading me to think that we do have more upside. I do want to point out one thing. I was kind of looking at this and I'm like, okay, we had this nice little drop here, right? Nice little drop there. So I'm like, okay, normally when you have, a drop like that, you'll get, there's a good chance you can get some kind of bearish reaction at a strong level of support like what we have here. And so you would typically, you might see like a bear flag, and so I was like, is this a bear flag? Well, guys, I don't think this is a bear flag. I think if this was a bear flag, it would have did something like that and then dropped, right? Or maybe not even like that. It would have did more like, let's see, something like this, came here and then dropped, right? Which technically, that can play out, right? But the only thing that's kind of throwing me off here, the only thing that I'm that's making me think this is not a bear flag is simply because this price action here, this price action in this area here. I don't know if you can see that, guys. My screen is busy. Let me delete that. Let me delete that real quick, and let's do something a little bit different. Let's go. Let's do this. Okay, this area here. If this was going to be a bear flag, we would have saw the drop. We would have saw the drop from there. If you just follow my cursor, this little area here is kind of funky. And since we did not see the drop here, we held above this 200 SMAs pointing up. I just feel, just from, looking at the charts long enough, I do feel like this is not a bear flag. This area here is not a bear flag. This is actually, I think, a reversal in the short term. And I'm not saying that we won't possibly still come down, but in the short term, maybe even into the midterm, I think we are seeing a reversal here. I do think there's FOMC meeting. Let me see. Is there an FOMC meeting this week? Yes, there is on Wednesday. So that's going to be very, very important, guys. FOMC meeting is going to be very, very, very important. So I think it's possible that we push up until the FOMC meeting. If we get, some bad news from Jerome, there's possible that Tesla will fall. However, this is not a bear flag, in my opinion. I think if we were to get that bad news, and that just that would just, you can almost just kind of throw out technical analysis when you have an event like a FOMC meeting, really. So don't be surprised tomorrow we run up some more, and then we'll see Wednesday what happens and how that goes. So, but anyway, without further ado, guys, that's gonna kind of be it for this one. I want to thank y'all for tuning in. I know it's been a long time, since my last video, but appreciate y'all for staying subscribed, because you definitely could have unsubscribed, but you didn't. You're still here. You're still with your boy, man. I really appreciate it. And until next time, peace.